many stocks and cryptocurrencies are currently in a very peculiar spot. They are testing the resistance, and look at Bitcoin here. We have the CME futures, which are showing that there's not a lot of supply at the level of resistance. Our expectation was from the spring, the test of this level, and maybe the second target. I'm really happy to see that both targets have been fulfilled, and we have discussed the spring trade for Bitcoin in real time in our Discord class, on Twitter, and so on. Now, what's the strategy? The first thing is that you don't want to see too much volume coming in. So today we have a down day, but the supply signature is quite average. And I would love to show you this point and figure chart, 1 hour time frame, 1%. And look at this. So this is basically the spring setup. And look at this, how we are testing great sinus trend rally, and we will discuss this terminology today. Backing up action, we can take the count of the structure and we get this big target, and the target is below 100,000, and we know that is a very important psychological level for traders. These big round numbers, even Jesse Livermore was talking about round numbers and their power. Now look at the second trading range. We have in the point and figure chart, this short-term swing point and figure chart, another reaccumulation trading range. So this is the original base, and this is our reaccumulation. Look how this target is pointing to almost the same area, slightly below. So Wyckoff used to say, once the target of a point and figure chart is being fulfilled, stop, look, and listen. Does it mean that we have to fall down to support? No, absolutely not. The overall idea, the idea that Wyckoff was describing with this term is that we are going to find at least deterioration of demand or supply coming in. So this is the moment where you are raising your stop losses, or you can take 30% of the gains on this short-term trades, which was initiated not with the goal of a campaign of a long-term trade, but just with the idea right here, a short-term trade to the resistance. I think that we'll continue probably to flirt with this 100,000 level, and then I want to see how much supply will be able to come at this old resistance level.